Hello students, welcome to Nelson's Primary School, Standard 7. Students, today we are going to learn in the subject of computer, and in this subject we will learn more with GIMP in lesson number 9. Let's start with introduction. Image editing means making changes or modifications in the images or photos in the desirable form for making them look more attractive. GIMP offers many features like resizing the image, adjusting the image colors, making them more crisper and sharper to look more focused, and many more. All such features helps to add life to an ordinary looking picture. So in this chapter, we will learn many such features for editing our images for making the images more lively. Resizing the image. Resizing feature in GIMP help us to change the image size while preserving the high quality of the image. Open GIMP and select the image to be resized. To see the dimensions of your image, click View Show Rulers option to show the horizontal and vertical rulers in GIMP workspace. Select the Scale Image option from the image menu. A Scale Image dialog box will appear as shown in the figure. Changing the image size. To change the image size in pixels, change the of width and height under the image size section up to the required size. You can also change the image size in percentage or inches by changing the default unit from px pixels to percent or inches, etc. If you have selected the image size option as percent and want to increase the size by 10%, enter the value 110 in height as well as width boxes. Click Scale button. Color adjustment. Color adjustment options of GIMP can help you to make your photograph more natural. To correct your image, open the image you wish to correct. Select Labels option in Colors menu. A Labels dialog box will appear as shown in the figure. You can choose the preset color adjustments from the presets drop-down list, or you can customize the colors as per your needs. Select value to adjust all the colors or red, green and blue for the respective colors in channel drop box. Drag the black triangle under the input levels towards right to darken the shadows. Gray triangle towards left for lighter mid-tone and right for darker mid-tone. White triangle towards left for lightens highlights. Keep the preview option checked while making adjustment to see the changes on the image. Click OK button once the desired colors are achieved. Making the images sharper. If your digital photo is slightly out of focus, GIMP can help you to make them look crisper using basic sharpening technique to sharpen your photograph. Open the image in GIMP to be sharpened. Select 1:1 100% from the zoom option in the view menu. Select filters. Enhance. Unsharp mask to open unsharp mask dialog box as shown in the figure. Enter the value between 0.00 to 5.00 for amount, 0.1 to 120 for the radius, and 0 to 255 for threshold as needed. Click OK to get more focused image. Adding softness to the images. Sometimes your photos look too sharp. In this case, you can use softening techniques to soften the image as follows. To soften your photograph, select filters, blur, Gaussian blur. The Gaussian blur dialog box will appear as shown in the figure. Enter the blur radius value in horizontal and vertical box. You can choose the unit value from inches, millimeter, person, centimeter, etc. If you want to add the motion blur, you can set the blur to act in one direction horizontally or vertically by increasing the value in that direction. Click OK button. Changing the image tone. We can also change the tone of selected image using the curves option. This is one of the most sophisticated tools which helps to evenly change the color, brightness, contrast or transparency of the selected image or part of it to make it more attractive. To activate this tool, select Tools, Color Tools, Curves option, or you can also use Colors, Curves option. The Adjust Color Curves dialog box will appear as shown in the figure. Choose the channel option as value, which means your curve will represent the brightness of pixels as you can see them in the composite image. Choose the curve type as smooth. To change the shape of the curve, create anchors on the curve line by clicking on it. A small dot appears showing the anchor at that position. We can move these anchors upward or downward as needed. If you have to enhance the contrast of the image, then drag the anchor on the lower half of the curve in downward direction and upper half in the upward direction. Keeping the preview option checked, move the anchors as needed to give more finer tone to the image. Click OK button once the desired result is achieved. Removing red eye effect. Sometimes when we click an image using a flashlight, the eye retina turns red due to the reflection of flashlight. GIMP gives you an option to quickly remove the red color from the eyes like this. Open the image having red color in the eyes. Using Zoom tool in the toolbox, enlarge the red eye in the photograph. Using Selection tool, select the red part of the eye. Now select Filters, Enhance, Red Eye Removal option to open Red Eye Removal dialog box. Change the threshold value as needed. Click OK button. Removing wrinkles. GIMP offers Smudge tool which can be used to remove the effect of dust or scratches from the images scanned from the old photos. It can also be used to remove the wrinkles from the face or skin in the photos. To use this tool, Open the image with any of the above imperfection. Zoom the image to enlarge the area to be corrected. Select Smudge tool in it, the toolbox. Adjust the brush size in the tool options and now smudge slowly to clear the wrinkles or scratches from the photos. Adding text on the image. If you want to write something on the image, you can make use of text tool in GIMP. To write on the image, open the picture on which you want to write. Select text tool from the toolbox and click on the image where you want to write. Select the font size, color, etc. of the text in the tool options area. Select the use editor option to open the GIMP text editor. Type the desired text in the editor text box. The text will start appearing on the image. Students, I hope you have understood this lesson. Please take a time to revise previous chapters as well as take your time to practice this one. Thank you. Have a nice day.